This is going to be a video tutorial on how to delete your browsing data in the Google Chrome app using an iOS device. I will be using an iPhone for this. Let me jump over to my iPhone here. I have my phone opened up now and I am on the Google Chrome web app. To delete your browsing data in Chrome, you want to go down to the lower right hand corner, down to the three-dot menu. You want to tap on that. Then you want to go to where it says Settings and tap on Settings. Then you want to scroll down a little ways, down to where you see it says Privacy and Security, and tap on Privacy and Security. Then on this screen, the very top thing, Delete Browsing Data. You want to tap on Delete Browsing Data. And on this screen that comes up, the top thing, Time Range, you can tap on that. You can choose between 15 minutes. Down to the bottom it says All Time. If you wanted to delete all of your browsing data, you would tap on All Time, but you just choose the time frame there. And then down below that it says Browsing Data. If you tap on that, you can choose what you want to delete. The very top thing is Browsing History. If I tap on that, it's automatically checked, but if I tap on it, it's unchecked. I'm going to tap on it again. Down below that is Tabs. Down below that is Cookies and Site Data. Then below that is Cached Images and Files. You could delete Save Passwords. If I tapped on that, it would delete all saved passwords. And down below that is Autofill Data. I'm going to leave it the way it is. I'm going to tap on Confirm up in the top. Then I'm going to tap on Delete Data. As you can see, mine is all done. Depending on how much data you have, it could take a minute or so. Then I'm going to go up to the top and I'm going to tap on Done. That is how you delete your browsing data in the Chrome app using an iOS device. Thanks for watching.